What's going on, my fellow RC addicts? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Tonight, we are going to be doing a tutorial on fixing the XMAXX. I've never done this before, but it should be fairly easy. So, I had a bad wreck, and in said wreck, I broke this wheel. Because of some fun circumstances, I actually was able to fix this with only having to buy this because of some warranty stuff and whatnot. So big thanks to JACKWAGON RC in Greeley, Colorado. If you have a chance, go check them out. They're amazing. They have a great selection, and that's my local hobby shop, so maybe you might run into me there. But it's the only hobby shop in Greeley. Well, I want to turn on this live so people can interact, and we're going to get this done. So, we are putting the RPM rear carriers for the axles. We are going to fix this, change this. Oh, I have this as well. New bearings for the wheel. Alright, so damage. I broke this right here, which is the carrier, which not going to be hard to fix. And then just a change of a wheel. Maybe I'll take that off and straighten that one out because it's a little bent up too. Freak accident, but here we go. Alright, so grab my handy dandy wrench for this and back this off. Well, the weird thing is this one didn't break. This one did. And that sucker's still fine. So, ooh. That was all up in there, wasn't it? Yeah, it'll be fine. So we do have a good wheel to throw on, so it's not going to be an issue. What's going on? Alright, so we got to pop this little pin off, or this little spring retainer off. That just slides right over that cup there. Take that out, take this off. And this, or no, the bigger one. Almost have left that one where I wrecked. So, take something pointy and pop this out. Ooh, did I bend it? I may have bent that a little bit, but we should be able to get it out. There we go. Oh, and a tool that you'll need to get a hold of if you can. Where did it go? Where are my Knipex? Oh. It is a tool called a Knipex. Oh, there's 143 people in here. What's going on? Hope you guys are having an amazing night. Alright, so we're gonna fix this. That's a little bit wonky. That, I'm just gonna do it with my hand on. That is not gonna happen. And let's see. Did Ragnar? If not, okay. Did regard. Okay. Not a bot, just wanted to help you build a future. I'm building my future as it is, my friend. My buggy has a sway in reverse only. Any ideas? I have no idea how to fix that. Because anything that has a soft servo going in reverse does that. So My wife likes your beard. Well, thank you. I think my wife likes it too. This is fixed. We can put this back together. So you push this through there if it wants to go. Oh, that's the one I bent a little bit. I did bend this a little bit, so I'm gonna have to use the Knipex, or I should. Well, this might be hardened. No, it's not hardened steel because it didn't break. So gotta file the inside of this. Oh yeah. What's my fastest RC? Oh, what's up from Chile? From Chile. My fastest RC is probably gonna be my Slash that I've clocked speed at 71 on Hoons, and that's with play gears. So it's pretty ridiculous. All right, so you're gonna put this through there. I'll put this through here to where it shows through that hole, and then you're gonna take this and put it like so, and then put your pin in. I'm just gonna have to dangle it until it goes, because that's not the one for that, that's the one for this. RC Grande, yes. Here's the trouble. What's going on, bro? What? Or here's trouble. What's up, Orlando? How you doing, my friend? We are working on the XMAXX. Is there a left and a right for these? It does not look like it. Oh no, this is left. What is the left end? Oh, we're just fixing the XMAXX. It had a bad wreck. I didn't think I was going to be able to fix it for a while, but and that's also why I haven't been posting, because I screwed up and I broke it bad. So I like the fact that I can see how long I've been on this live. I mean, I've been on this video, because I'm recording it for the tube of view purposes. I can't see it, I can't read it, I don't know what you're saying. I don't speak the language. But how are you guys doing tonight? Hopefully well. This is my first partially sponsored video, because the RC shop that I frequent has donated a little bit of help to me, which was awesome. Hooked it up, gave me a massive discount. So that was very awesome. Alright, so I put those back on there, as you just saw, and then you put that clip right back in there. So that's done. Now all I gotta do is take these out. Where is my impact? It's right there. The wrong thing in it. Alright, you need your 2mm. And you gotta take these screws out. There's a screw right here. There's a screw right here. Set those right there so you know which ones go where. And what you're going to want to do is prop it up just a little bit, at least. Now you take a pointy thing, stick it into that hole, push what looks like to be possibly another bent rod, and that is not a punch. Push that out, pull it. Oh, it looks good, it's not bent. Push that one out, grab the Knipex, and then that one bent. Nope, that one's good. Alright, there's this and this, which will go in the XMAXX bin. That goes up, not down. Alright, so that one goes back in. Like so. Where's the hole? There it is. And this one goes back in. There's the hole. Perfect. Now we grab this again. Then put the keeper screw back in. Put the other keeper screw back in. Make sure you're careful not to strip it. And you take your wheel. Dang, that really went in there. Get her back on there. Good to go there. Tighten it back up. What's going on, guys? Sorry, I'm not paying 100% attention to you. Alright, so that's there. Now we're taking this one out. And I'm just going to leave that rod. It's not that big of a deal. It's not a deal breaker. Oh my goodness. That's really in there. Alright. Oh jeez. That's really on there. Probably gonna spin. Oh, I got it. Man, I really did a number on this wheel. It was messed up. What's going on, Nicholas? What's new? And what have you broken? Oh, I broke the XMAXX. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I think I put a little bit of Loctite on that one. Alright, so now for this wheel. Put on a little bit of Loctite because I was slipping and it really stuck. But we are back in the game, my friends. All right, bam. And that is how you fix a rear cup. Anyway, God bless you. I love you. Have yourself an amazing day.